Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this new music boxing machine that I just received. It says that there is 9 modes, 9 speeds, a light reminder, and music playback. So we're going to open this up and see what's in the inside. So this is the inside. You can see how nicely it was packaged. Take these out. This is the board itself. Pull it out. This is what the board looks like. There's an on and off button, the different modes that I talked about, and the sound. I like these. It's super soft, nice padding. It also comes with 2 boxing gloves, so you do not need to buy your own boxing gloves. It comes with the user manual. And then there is 2 ways that you can mount this on the wall. There is Velcros right here. And then there is also bolts and mounting stuff to mount it on the wall. And it comes with the USB-C. This is for the music, so you need to charge it. So I didn't decide where I'm going to put it yet, my basement or outside. So I'm going to just show you all the features and how to use the board. So this is the on and off button. You got to hold it. And you can see that it's on by the lights coming up. So under the on and off button, that's the Bluetooth. So if you hold it, you could connect it to your phone. So you could be playing music from the board itself while you're working out. There's 9 different modes. As you can see, if you tap that, it changes to 9 different modes. And there's also 9 different speeds on the other side. All you have to do is tap it. So as you can see, as the modes go higher, as the speed goes higher, these start going faster. So you have, you need to react faster. The 9th speed is the fastest speed. If you hold down on this side, the volume goes down. If you hold down on that side, the volume goes up. These are the boxing gloves, so I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'll put one of them on. And all you have to do is when it lights up, you just got to punch it like that, and you could hear it go. Overall, I would recommend this to anyone that likes boxing and tries to get a cardio in.